Now these are some steep hills. A big drop. Oh my god! Now these are some steep hills. What one to do? I'm gonna send this one right here in front of me. Okay, let's do it. And we made it up. I wanna send another one. Let's send another one. I gotta find a way down now. None of these ways look safe. It's a big drop. Well, that's one way to get down. Okay guys, I don't know why I'm gonna do this. Maybe because I'm stupid, maybe because I just want to send something. But I'm gonna send this hill climb, so I don't know how this is gonna go, guys. Wish me luck. What are you doing? Oh my god, this is so steep. Now I gotta get down. I'm not riding down this because I'm not Graham Jarvis. Okay, I got up most of it, and then I guess I kind of just got kind of guided off onto the wrong bit. But then I thought I could get up that bit, but I'm not him, so I didn't. Now we're gonna try find another hill climb. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Oh my god! No, I'm sorry, bike. Well, that launched. That didn't go to plan.
5 minutes later.
Oh my god, boys. Sent a couple hill climbs, got up one of them. I looped my bike out as well.